Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here today. We've got this awesome 2019 Super Air Nautique G21. The 21-foot G21 here is one of the most desirable in the 21-22 foot class. It gives you a unique two running surfaces, which makes it perfect for both wakeboarding as well as for wake surfing. And it does that by stepping up on the second running surface when you're at speed for wakeboarding, and then when you slow down for surfing, you get that monster wake that you're looking for, that any even pro will desire. As far as seating, you've got space for 14 people. The seats are convertible. This one on the port side folds down to be flush, or if you've got a bunch of people in, you can both have your own backrest seating rearward. This step right here slides forward, converts into a full seat. Back behind the driver's seat, you've got a removable backrest. And check out this driver's seat. This is a race-inspired design with little cutouts here for your legs. So if you have a bunch of people on board and you want to turn around and socialize, you can swivel it around all the way, or just lean back. At the helm, we've got full control either through a joystick option or a full touchscreen. You can control your ballast, which by the way is a huge 2,850 pounds of ballast, all below the floor. Not just in the storage compartments, but actually below the floor. Newly redesigned is our flight control tower. They raised it up an additional 6 inches, so if you've got speakers hanging off up top, they don't impede your walking area and bump you in the head. Also, the new board racks have been redesigned. They're still aluminum underneath, but they've got a protective coating on them, and they are full strapless, so it's easy to take them in and out, and they won't scratch your boards at all. And unique to this boat, like pretty much every Nautique out there, there are so many design options with color. I think this one came together very, very well. I love how the blue fleck in the paint on the outside ties in with this teal and all the white piping and the gray sea deck flooring everywhere. Just a fantastic looking boat. If you guys have any questions, my cell phone number is listed right there. Call, text, email me anytime. I'm happy to help. Thanks.